Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rebune electric kettle and we're going also to be testing and see how it works. Karibu, come along. So this kettle is 1.8 liters, has 1 year warranty, is also glass, and it comes with, we have the manual. We have the warranty card. It has 1 year warranty, like I said. Very nice packaging. Very safe and secure. So we have the cord. We have the kettle. So to open, you just push. We have the push button, we have the power on, power off. So now to the testing parts. This is our cord. So this is the length of the cord and the stainless steel finish. Very nice and lovely. It is not advisable to put water, to put the electric kettle on the switch before it has water. And it is also not advisable to put the cord on the electric if the kettle is not cool. Then we switch on the kettle. Ta-da! Look at how beautiful it lights up. So this is our kettle. Guys, this glass is very hard. It's very hard to break that glass. So you're going to give it a few minutes. Then our water will be boiling and ready for use. I love the LED lighting, I love the glass, I love the stainless steel finish and the black. It has a really nice decorative finish and it looks very classy. So if you're looking to get this kettle, you can always find it at Almar Designs. You can find them on Facebook or Instagram. On Facebook is Almar Designs and Appliances. On Instagram it's Almar Designs_KE. Allow me to fill the water so that you can see how magnificent it looks. Let me just switch it off for a minute. Add your water. I want to fill it to max. Yes, it is at maximum level, 1.8 liters. The Rebune electric kettle is cordless. The kettle is separated from the cord. So you can use the kettle separately and you can use the kettle without a cord. Then it rotates 360 degrees. You can zero in to see how the bubbles form. It looks so beautiful. It becomes so beautiful as it boils. Even if you have children, do not be afraid of taking this kettle because the glass is really hard. I have 2 boys and I'm sure it will survive. It takes about 1 minute to boil your water and it has 1850 to 2200 watts. Automatically switches off. It has a thermostat that will automatically switch off the kettle once it has come to a boiling point. So if you put your water beyond the max level, as it boils, it will pour out of your kettle and it will maybe mess your surface. So it is not even also safe. It can burn anybody who will be around that area. But just ensure it is at the max level. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have something you want us to review, kindly let us know and we will gladly do so. Thank you.